Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to permanently remove files from Google Drive using your Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com in your browser and sign into your Google account. Next, locate a file or files you want to delete. Click once to select a single file or hold Ctrl and click to pick multiple items. Then, right-click any selected file and choose Remove, or click the trash icon at the top to move them to the trash. After that, open Trash from the left sidebar to review items. If you want to permanently delete everything, click Empty Trash and confirm. Alternatively, to permanently delete a single file from trash, right-click it and choose Delete Forever. Remember, files in trash are recoverable unless you empty your trash before 30 days. If you use Google Drive for desktop, you can also delete files by selecting them in the File Explorer and pressing Delete. This will move them to your Drive trash and sync the change. And that's it, guys. Files removed from your drive are now deleted or permanently erased depending on the action you choose. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.